Two types of people.
Ones who read manuals and ones who don't.
I have no idea what I'm taking out. Okay.
Ah!
Oh look, it says prototype unit.
Oh, wow. Will it blow up? Totally unopened.
Yes, no, we never opened this before.
Manual?
Manual! Do we need to read this first?
No.
Sure.
Everything is auto
Safety
nowadays.
instructions.
There are two types of people.
Ones who read manuals and ones who don't.
I have no idea what I'm taking out.
That is like the place where you put the plastic.
Okay, I'm gonna set up.
This looks like the main unit.
The top part or the bottom part?
The logo is this way up. Lots of plastic.
Yay! I don't know what I'm yaying for. Plastic is very unsustainable.
The base!
The
Oh
parts.
no, there are lots of screws.
Oh shucks.
I think
Okay, I
some
guess we
assembly
should
required.
manual. We should manual. What's up? Whoa. Whoa, this is the sucky thing.
Yes. I'm sure that's what it says in the manual.
This goes over there. Oh, it's magnetic!
Oh really?
Oh!
Maybe the
I
manual.
guess it's a sticky thing now.
Okay.
Oh, there. This thing goes here.
Let's follow the instructions.
Can see who is what kind of person now. Yes. Safety gloves. You want safety gloves?
No.
Ta-da! This looks a bit too simplified. Why got only 5 buttons?
Is it touchscreen? No, right?
Yeah, maybe. Doesn't seem like it.
doesn't look like
Yeah,
it.
it doesn't look like it. So. Okay, well, iPod had 1 button. So, tighten screws using Allen keys. Where are the screws? Oh,
Is there a way? It would be very tight.
yeah. But like you put it in like that, right? So
Yeah.
does that mean like we should untighten first before putting it in?
Maybe, right?
But it doesn't. It feels
It
kind
doesn't
of.
untighten either.
It feels kind of. Oh no! It's coming out. Ooh. Oh, mama.
That's blue.
This is orange,
Okay.
yellow. As in, like, you're talking about the sticker on the side?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to slide it down?
Apparently.
Okay. Wait, I don't know if it's supposed to look like it's gonna pop. You wanna see?
Oh, so it's the heater. Next one is the sheet clamp.
I guess there's only one screw. Okay, then it's like one each side. And just say insert screw.
Okay.
Do you
Do
use
not
different
tighten
washes
yet.
from her?
Did I?
Her washes are silver, yours are black.
That's a good question.
I think there's a. Is it this?
Oh, could be. These things?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is like that. So this thing is fixing outwards.
Facing outward.
Oh, and I think that attaches to the material holder.
Does this go here?
Oh, nylon washers? That would be the black one that I just.
Aye. So much for aesthetics.
Don't know.
Nope.
No,
Nope.
that does not look right.
Nope. Nope.
I think you were supposed to do it before, like the moment it hits, so that was the vacuum.
Ooh,
You think it's that?
is it warm?
No, it's a bit warm from the top. You think this is the problem?
Yep. Filters in questionable filters.
Oh, it's almost ready.
Much lesser.
Much
Camera?
lesser, much fewer people. Much fewer
Camera.
people. Ah! It's on, it's on, it's on! I feel like maybe we waited a little too much. There could have been more vacuuming. It's cooling down. How do you know when to stop vacuuming?
We gave up.
Sad.
Nah.
I think it's at this point a threshold temperature.
Can we just like put one thing?
Maybe.
332. 334. Oh, keep your hands there. 336.
Oh, come on!
Why? No.
It just like
What?
Yeah.